The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
From the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus continued his journey to Jerusalem. He traveled through Samaria and Galilee. As he was entering a village, 10 lepers met him. They stood at a distance from him and raised their voices, saying, "Jesus, Master, have pity on us." And when he saw them, he said, "Go show yourselves to the priests." As they were going, they were cleansed. And one of them, realizing had been healed, returned, glorifying God in a loud voice, and he fell at the feet of Jesus and thanked him. He was a Samaritan. Jesus said in reply, 10 were cleansed, were they not? Where are the other 9? Has none but these foreigners returned to give thanks to God? Then he said to him, "Stand up and go, your faith has saved you."